Hello students, chapter 3 playing with numbers. In that we are going to see 3.4, that is test for divisibility of numbers. Using some set of rules, we are going to check whether this number is divisible by 2, 3, 4 up to 11. We are going to check it out. So the number is, I am taking this as an example, that is 990. The first I am going to check the divisible by 2. For divisible by 2, I have to check the ones place. Check ones place. The ones place of 990 is, as you all know, the place value, it is ones, tens, hundreds. The ones place value of 990 is 0. So, if it is 0 or any even numbers, the even numbers, example 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If any of the ones places you are having any even numbers, means this whole number is divisible by 2. So, therefore, 990 is divisible by 2. Next, divisible by 3. For this, you have to check sum of digits is divisible by 3. You have to check whether the sum of digit is divisible by 3. Already the same number, I am taking it as example, that is 990. Sum of numbers means I have to separately sum each digit, that is 9 plus 9 plus 0. 9 plus 9, it is 18. 18 plus 0, again it is 18. You have to check whether 18 is divisible by 3. 18 is divisible by 3, 6 3s are 18. So it is divisible by 3. If 18 is divisible by 3, the whole number is divisible by 3. Therefore, 990 is divisible by 3. Next, divisible by 4. Next, 1 divisible by 4. For divisible by 4, you have to check ones and tens place. Ones and tens place. You have to check ones and tens place. For example, 990, same number. I have to check ones place is 0, tens places we are having 90. You have to check whether 90 is divisible by 4. If 90 is divisible by 4, the whole number is said to be divisible by 4. Yes, 90. If you check with 90 divided by 4. So 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. Here you are having 9, so 1 will get carry, it will become 10. 10 is not in 4 table, right? So it is 90 is not divisible by 4. So if 90 is not divisible by 4, 990, the whole number is not divisible by 4. Next one is divisible by 5. Divisible by 5. You have to check ones place. Check ones place. It should be either 0 or 5. For example, I have considered the same example 990. I got to check the ones place. It is 0. If it is 0 or 5, then the whole number is said to be divisible by 5. Suppose instead of 0, if you are having 2 means, it is not divisible by 5. So the whole number is not divisible by 5. Here you are having 0. So therefore 990 is divisible by 5. Next, divisible by 6. For divisible by 6, if it is satisfy the condition, that is it is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3, then the number is said to be divisible by 6. So you have to satisfy two conditions. One, it should be divisible by 2, and the next one is it should be divisible by 3. So first let me check if it is divisible by 2 and 3. That is the condition. Already we have checked whether it is divisible by 2, same number, we have checked. The condition for divisible by 2 is you have to check the ones place. If it's an even number, it is divisible by 2. So 990 is divisible by 2. Next, for divisible by 3, check the sum of digits is divisible by 3. So I have sum all the digits and 18 is divisible by 3, so that whole number is divisible by 3. So already it satisfied the condition 2 and 3. So to satisfy the condition 2 and 3, the whole, that is 990 is said to be divisible by 6. So 990 is divisible by 6. Next, divisible by 8. You have to check ones, tens and hundreds place. Take one, for example, take the same example 990, take the ones place, tens place, hundreds place. If it is divisible by 8, the whole number is said to be divisible by 8. Here I am having only 3 digit number. For example, let me take one more example, that is 1480. Here you have to take ones place, tens place, hundreds place. You have to check the last 3 digits. The last 3 digits is divided by 8, the whole number is said to be divided by 8. Let me take the same example, that is 990, and you have to check whether 990 is divided by 8 or not. 980 divided by 8. 188, 1 will get carried over, 2 8 is 16, 3 will get carried over here, it will become 30, 3 8 is 24, again it will come with a decimal point, so it is not divided by 8. Therefore, 990 is next is divisible by 9. It is same that of divisible by 3. You have to check the sum of digits. Check sum of digits is divisible by 9. Is divisible by sum of digits means 990 equal to 9 plus 9 plus 0. So 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 0, again 18. So if 18 is divisible by divisible by 9, the whole number is said to be divisible by 9. Therefore, 18 can be divided by 9. 1 minus 9, 2 9s are 18. So 990 is divisible by 9. And the next one, divisible by 10. For divisible by 10, you have to check the ones place. If it is 0, check ones place. If it is 0, the whole number is said to be divisible by 10. Same exam 990, I got to check the ones place, it is 0. So it is divisible by 10. It is divisible by 10. Next one, divisible by 11. For divisible by 11, you have to sum the digits that is in odd places. The condition is, let me take 900. 90. You have to sum the digits. That is odd places. Here 1 and third place, right? So I have to first sum the digits. That is 9 plus 0. 9 plus 0, you will get 9. And in the next step, this is the first step, and the next step, you have to sum the digits that is in the even place. So here I am having only 3 digits. Here I am not having any number. So you just take this number alone. That is enough. Suppose if I am having 1 here, means I can take 1 plus 9. If not, you can take just 9. So it is 9. Next, third step, you have to subtract these two numbers. That is this one and this one. That is 9 minus 9. It is 0. If you get the answer as 0, or it is divisible by 11, any number, that is 11, 22, 33. While subtracting, if you get a 0 or 11, 22, 33, 44, any number that is divisible by 11, the whole number is said to be divisible by 11. So, here I am getting the answer as 0. So, 990 is divisible by 11. This is the rules for checking the divisible of numbers. Like this video, click on the like button, subscribe my channel, email tutorial, share my videos. Thank you.